Hi, today I'm going to make Dane's rocket, a very pretty bunch of flowers, perfect in flower arrangements as fillers or on their own. Materials used are crepe papers in yellow, violet or lavender and green, a thin wire, thick wire for stem and green floral tape. All the measurements are in centimeter. This is a stencil for the stamen. This is 1.5 by half a centimeter. Cut one piece per flower. This is for the small bud. This is 1 by 1.5. Cut as many as you like. This is for the petal. This is 2 centimeters high and 1.25 centimeters wide here. The stem is 0.75 by half a centimeters. Cut 4 pieces per flower. And this is of the leaf. This is 9 centimeters by 4 centimeters. Stem is 1 by half a centimeter. Cut as many as you like. Take a small piece of thin wire. This would be around 3 centimeters. Take some tape. First just wind it on the top a bit and then bring it down. So these will make the smallest buds. Again cut a small piece of the thin wire. So this is about 4 centimeters. And take this piece of the bud, so just stretch it, the paper, apply glue on the reverse, and just wind it on the top, on one end of the wire. Cut a piece of the tape. So this is the next type of bud. For the flower, again cut a small piece of thin wire about 4.5 centimeters long. Now take the piece for the stamen and just make very thin cuts on it. Like this. Apply glue and stick it on top of the wire like so. Take a bit of green tape. Just wind it on this to sort of make it a little thick. Now take these petals, apply glue and stick the next one, overlapping most of it, leaving just about 1/3 or 1/4 of the petal exposed, like so. Now just curl them. Apply glue on the stem. Just roll it. Just open it out. Like this, and then just cut the stamen almost till the height of the petals. Look like this. And just wind this. So this is what it look like. Take the leaf. First just score it in the center. And then curl it a bit. And then score again. So you get this midrib. Now take a long piece of the floral tape. Stretch it. Take the thick wire. So just hold all of these, the smallest buds, together. Put it round the wire. Just tape it. And take these one at a time. Try to keep them at the same height from the top. Then put the flowers a little lower. So now just put them in a slightly descending manner. And you leave a little gap. Let's say I'll put one here. Put another one, and then I'll attach a leaf. And this is how it will look.